Precedence diagram method. I know, it sounds kind of complicated, but I've got your back. I'm going to explain the precedence diagram method in the simplest terms possible. You ready? Okay, here we go. Let's start with what a precedence diagram method is. The precedence diagram method, or PDM, helps project managers define a clear and proper sequence of project tasks and activities in a visual format. PDM helps project managers highlight paths, relationships, and dependencies between activities to ensure successful project delivery. Since it's a visual representation of a project's priorities, a precedence diagram helps teams visualize the priorities and assignments at a glance. It can help project managers see missing activities and get an accurate project schedule. You're probably thinking, that sounds really useful, but how am I supposed to put one together? Well, stick with me, and we'll cover that now. As a project manager, first you need to gather details of project activities, durations, and dates. Those are the building blocks for your precedence diagram. Then you need to identify activities with a critical path from the start of your project to its finish. Using those critical paths, you'll connect any dependencies and find the optimal workflow for your project. Once you have all of that information organized, you're ready for the diagram portion of your program. You're going to draw a simple picture of your project sequence, connecting the activities in a precedence diagram. There are 4 ways to illustrate a precedence diagram. Those form the connection between the activities inside your precedence diagram. Finish to start. In this case, task B cannot start until task A has been completed. Start to start. Here, task B cannot start until task A starts. Finish to finish. With this one, task B cannot be completed until task A is completed. Start to finish. Lastly, task B cannot be completed until task A starts. You might have a project where none of these activities connect this way, but most projects typically fall under one of those 4 sequences. How does one draw a precedence diagram like the one we showed you? Well, Wrike can help you with all the prep work for your precedence diagram, so you can make sure it's accurate and effective. Wrike organizes project plans and schedules to help you draw precedence diagrams quickly. First, you'll define the tasks needed to complete your project. Then, you'll check each task for dependencies, assign due dates, and set durations. Once your data is all organized, you can use a website like diagrams.net or eDraw to help you create the perfect diagram. Then, all you have to do is bask in the wonder of having a precedence diagram to help you keep track of your project.